Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. Today's February 14th, and if my voice is sounding a bit weird or like manly, it's because I felt quite sick yesterday, but I wanted to get this video out because yesterday something from the Murakami and XLV line came from not the shop but StockX. So I don't want to show okay. I haven't had a chance to open this yesterday, so I really wanted to do that today. And also, maybe by the end of the video, I'll show some packaging that came through from my other purchases before. So let's get this started. This was a complete FOMO purchase. And so that's why it wasn't from the LV shop. By the time I realized I really wanted this product, it was completely sold out. You couldn't even get it online, and so I decided to start stocking StockX. And when I bid for it one morning, I think it came really quick. So I bid it for it. Oh, this is the top. Okay. See. I guess it wouldn't come with any packaging, which is fine because I'll show you in a bit, but I do have quite a bit of packaging from my other purchases, so I don't mind so much, and I didn't really expect it to come with any packaging anyways. So do you have a guess what this might be? Let's see. It's quite heavy. Kind of surprised. Here we go. It's going to be my first time seeing this in person. Okay, so with StockX, you get this verification type of thing. And this is the white multicolor Rosalie coin purse. I'm just going to take a quick look. Sorry. Make sure that everything's okay. There seems to be a little mark right there, but it's not a big deal. Isn't she so pretty? Okay, let's open her up. Make sure everything's okay. So here it says the 20-year anniversary celebration of Louis Vuitton x Murakami, and this one's made in Spain. So the previous product that I got was also the pink one, the kawaii pink in the Romy, and that's why when I saw the multicolor Rosalie, I felt like I really wanted to make it a set alongside with my cosmetic pouch GM that I use as a handbag. I thought this would be so pretty all together, so maybe I'll take a photo like that. But what do you guys think? So I've been using this Romy card holder religiously, like basically since I've gotten it, and I haven't exchanged it. But this one, I think I might carry some extra cards and maybe my local ID card. It also came with this. Let's see. Okay, so it literally just comes with this without any receipt or anything, but I think it's fine because it's all online and I can just print it out if necessary, that it's StockX verified. And yeah, I'm so happy that this finally came through. I don't see any problems with quality other than I think just a slight mark right here. I think that's like just slight printing error, but at least the colors are all very clear. Whereas, yeah, they were saying that the Romy is a bit blurry. Now that I have this to compare, it's true, and I think it's because the Romy is coated canvas. It's kind of slightly different. This one is just canvas, it's less coated. This one seems a little thicker, so that's why if you compare, say for example, the purple LV monogram, there is a difference. sorry if I keep sliding to the right hand side because I'm using my phone and on horizontal. So the camera is actually on this side. Let me pull it back. Do you guys see a difference? I'm trying to make it a closer view for you guys and do a comparison. Maybe it'll be better if I did the back. Okay. So this would be a comparison in the green. It is slightly different, but I'm okay with both and I'm very happy with these purchases. So this would match a lot with my white multicolor cosmetic pouch. Let me put this stuff aside. In this, I took everything out and I'm using my other carry-all bag, but I've added a pink insert that I haven't had a chance to really show you guys yet. This is more like nylon, I think. And this one was also, that one's made in France. I don't think you can see, but I love pink and white. There we go. So that's how it will look with my bag charms. I think this white Takashi Murakami smiley flower in the white matches the multicolor Blanc, the white one as well. And I thought I'd also share with you guys all of the packaging I've received today from this Murakami collection. So this is actually, some people have asked me about this. I bought this a few weeks ago. I thought it looked really nice as a background. And this is the Blackpink edition from the Murakami collaboration with Blackpink. So I thought this is really cute. I also got some Takashi Murakami stickers that I thought I would maybe stick on my laptop or notebook. I also have waiting for another notebook that I bought, but it's pending validation online, and that was since mid-January, so who knows. I hope that it doesn't get canceled because I quite want to get that notebook now. And then these are all of the gift tags that I've received. There's also a bunch of, let me see, Murakami smiley flowers. I think I got a set of 50. There's so many of these. So I could stick on my new suitcase. So my new suitcase is also like white pearlistic color. And I thought that if I bought these stickers and I stick them to the suitcase, it'll look a lot like the flowers, which would be really nice. And also, let me see, I also got only one pack of these stickies. So if you guys haven't seen these yet, I can quickly show them to you. The envelope is so nice. Even the back has the Murakami flowers. And then we have onion head here. This is the LV hands logo. This is the flower hat man. Again, we have the flowers. And of course, the famous panda. And the celebration, 20th year celebration Murakami sticker. I think I do have a set of these. I think I have 6 of them. I have no idea where I misplaced them at home, but they're somewhere in the house. So these are the stickers, which I'll probably keep as collector's item in here. Let me make sure that I don't, okay. And then for these gift tags, I think I have 9 or 10 of these. Let's see. So this is the flower hat man. I have 1, 2, 3 of the flower hat man. Panda of 1, 2, 3. You haven't seen the back. All of these are the multicolor. And I have 1, 2, 3 of the, oh, this is the onion head. Actually, I think I should have 1 or 2 more. I don't know. Maybe I've misplaced them somewhere else, but this is everything I have here. I thought I'd show close up. And then the ribbons, I actually have quite a bit of ribbons. I'll put them back in this box. And so I'm so happy I got these ribbons because I think they're so beautiful. But yeah, I was thinking maybe in time when I have more followers or subscribers, maybe I've never done a giveaway, so I'm happy to do one. But I don't know, as of now, because this collection is still happening, I think people are still getting some of the products in from drop 2, the cherry blossoms, as well as the cherries that are coming in May. So I'm just trying to see whether when it would make sense to do this giveaway, because in Hong Kong, so I'm based in Hong Kong, and Chinese New Year just passed, and there was all the commotion with the Chinese New Year period as well, so I didn't have a chance to take a look at it. But here I just wanted to share my collection of all of the Murakami packaging. And yeah, that's it. Basically wanted to share you all my stickers, and of course the product from StockX that I got. These are the 2 SLGs in white multicolor that I got. This. Okay, to summarize, these are the 2 white multicolor SLGs I got from the Murakami collection. This is the Kawaii Pink Romy card holder, and it also comes with the gold panda with coated canvas, so that's why the LV monogram will be slightly different than the Rosalie, which we have here. I got this off the StockX platform. I bidded it and I won. Inside is also the same color in the Kawaii Pink. This is made in Spain, and as you can see, the monogram is very clear. Now I have a matching set alongside my cosmetic GM pouch, which I'm very happy about, and also with the white bandeau. This is my collection from the white multi-collection side. So if you guys haven't liked or subscribed to my channel already, please do so. That would really help with my growth in my channel growing. And I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day. And yeah, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.